Craftsmen focus on one thing. It's 10 years of persistence. It is the perfection after thousands of times of axe chisel. Abide by the imprint of time. Inherit the spirit of artisans. Achieve extraordinary enterprises. Automotive ambient lighting wiring harness advocate. Risong Zhang, General Manager of Wuhan Fuking Factory. Hi, I'm Zhang Risong from Fuking Technology. The product I endorse is automotive ambient lighting wire harness. It's the car body wiring harness, connection harness to ambient light, wire harness and ambient light PCBA connection with connector, or the connection using the tin dip soldering process. The wires used, according to different welding processes, there are different temperature resistance grades. There are 85, 105, 1 to 5 degrees Celsius. Effectively prevent the welding process. The excessive shrinkage of the thread. Reinforcement of wire harness with overlying fleece tape. Prevent abnormal sounds caused by vibration. The terminal crimping of the wiring harness is crucial. Through cross-sectional analysis, compression ratio of terminal and wire riveting, and the crimp state, ensure the stability of terminal wire crimping. Before production, test crimp height and crimp tension. Ensure that the mass production crimp tension is qualified. In mass production, each terminal crimp is pressure monitored. Riveting force. Make sure the connection is firm and stable. Automatic housing insertion and image monitoring. Line sequence implantation accuracy and terminal positioning. Coated fleece tape. Play a shockproof and sound insulation role. Conduction test harness 100% conduction test. Ensure that the terminals and wires are connected properly. Line sequence is correct. We put our customers first. Meeting customization needs. Looking forward to win-win cooperation. Thanks for watching.